little baby. Sit down. What's wrong? Why are you crying? Tell me why you're crying. Why are you crying?
Hey, Addison, what do you think of this?
Tell the phone why you're crying. You don't even know why, do you?
I want to see it, and I can't see it.
See what?
Pixels.
That's not why you were crying. At all. Should I just leave it down? Yeah.
I want to see it, Mommy.
You're so pretty even when you're bad. Can you stop fussing? I think somebody's tired.
Can I see it, Mommy, please? Please. Please. Please, Mommy.
See what?
Please.
No, that's not why you were crying originally.
I want
You originally started crying because I wanted you to sit down and get your hair fixed. Why?
And because I took these from you.
Yeah, these.
Because you were swinging them all
Those.
over the place.
Like that.
Having a fit. You done being ugly?
Say yes, Jessica.
Can I have some French toast?
Mommy, what's the paper want to cut that? Wait, no.
Bye-bye, Addison. Do it. Bye-bye, blue kiss.
Where's my scissors? Hold on, Mommy.
Addison.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Get up you so I can get Mommy,
Can you do it?
what is it? Oh, somebody
Bye-bye. Let's go bye-bye. You want to go bye-bye? Say bye-bye. No. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Mommy.
Blow kisses. Blow kisses. You won't do it, will you? Blow kisses. You're being shy. Blow kisses. You ready to get dressed? Hmm?
Hmm.